Welcome back, GlamFam. It's your girl Angela Denise, and I am here with you today with a eyeshadow tutorial using the new Pat McGrath Holiday Palette in Bronze Temptation. You guys, these are the colors, you guys. And this green color, sickening. I am so excited. This is the green that I have been looking for. Girl, do you see it? I'm just so excited. Like, I am so happy and thrilled with the way this look turned out. Oh my God, I am so happy with it. But yeah, I will not ramble on. I really want you guys to get into how I created this look because I am absolutely in love with it. Let's go. Let's get right into it. Okay, dolls, I am beyond excited to be using the Pat McGrath Holiday Palette, the Bronze Temptation. I honestly do not even know what kind of look I'm going to do today. I'm just going to go ahead and just dive in and just start creating. I'm going to go ahead and start out with Burning Desire. And this is a MAC 224 blending brush, and this is going to be my transition shade. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up a little bit of Dark Paradise, the brown shade, and this is my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to pop that color in my crease and on the outer corner of my eye, going in light because you know these guys are super pigmented. So I'm going to put it in the crease, but I'm not going to take it all the way over like I did Burning Desire. So I'm going to take some Too Faced glitter glue and I'm going to apply that to the lid area. And this isn't to amplify the color, it's just to control my placement and so that I don't get any transfer. Okay, taking my Crown C510 brush, I am going to pick up Supernova and pat that color on the first 3/4 of my lid. Now I'm going to take my small crease brush and pick up a little bit more of Dark Paradise. All right, so now I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Provocatrix, and this is just a small sable hair flat brush. Then I'll go back in with my MAC 224 blending brush. So pretty. I'm going to line my waterline with my Marc Jacobs gel liner, and which one is this one? This is the shade Brownie. Okay, so it's gonna be Dark Paradise on the outer edge of the eye. Okay, so with a flat brush, I am going to pick up that green shade, and that is Supernova. You guys, I cannot get over this color right now, like for real. So far, you guys, I'm literally in love. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on my mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, dolls, this is the finished look, and honestly, I am absolutely living for this palette and the look that I created for you guys today. Truth be told, I mean, I liked it. Of course, I like this color scheme, but I was naturally just so excited for the Dark Star palette simply because it was just something different. But y'all, if you don't get any of Pat McGrath's other palettes, get this one and the Dark Star. This one, I think it's just the look that I created today. I'm really feeling it. What is this color? I'm just really excited, and I just showed Charles and he really liked it. Provocatrix, this color, oh my god, like laid over this color, how I have it here in this corner, girl, look at it. It's just but yeah, I am living for the look that I created for you guys. You guys let me know. I am super excited and super happy with all things this palette and the look that I created for you today. You guys chime in down below. Of course, I'm going to be doing a look with the Metamorphosis palette, but of course, I'm not going to use that palette alone. I'm probably going to do a fusion. I'm probably going to do two different looks. I'm going to do a fusion with this and Metamorphosis, and then a fusion with Dark Star and Metamorphosis. And that is definitely something that I can't wait to do. But yeah, y'all, this is it, and I'm living, and I'm so happy. Again, you guys go and follow me on my Facebook page. I'm not really doing Instagram right now, but on my Facebook page, I am posting things multiple times a week. I will leave my link to my page and my page name down below. And until the next time, dolls, I will see you later. Bye.